Hey guys, it is Kristin Shelby from IndyHipChic and we are back with another video. So today's video is the second installment in the Urban Decay Naked Cherry series. So as you can see today, I went ahead, like I said in the last video, and broke out that Drunk Dial dark brown shimmery shade and used that for the lid and got this nice look here. So if you want to see what I did with the palette this week and how I got this look, then stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filt'r eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm going to keep the eyeshadow look fairly simple. I'm not going to use like a ton of colors for this look just because I don't want to and I really like the Drunk Dial look, so that's what we're gonna go with. So I am going to start off with Drunk Dial, and I used this color in the last video I did for Naked Cherry, and I just felt like it would be a good dark, like just a good dark smoky eye. So I want to put that all over my lid and then just kind of smoke it out and just get me something really dark and vampy and still cute. And I'm gonna use my Sigma Short Shader E20 brush to apply that. And I really like this color because it's dark, but it still has some shimmer to it, so it's not just like one of those dark ashy looking colors. It still gives you a little bit of shimmer and shine, but it's not like a bright gold or copper or whatever. Okay, so now I am going to take my Fenty Beauty blending eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna take the color Devilish and then just go basically right here, right along the edges to kind of smoke that out and soften it out. And Devilish is just kind of like a brick red almost. And of course we gotta use some red because it's Naked Cherry, so. Alrighty, and then just on top of that, I am going to go in with a mixture of Juicy and Feels, and that's just gonna kind of soften it out a little bit more and ease the transition up to the brow bone. And then I'm just gonna go over the lid again with that Drunk Dial just to kind of revamp it a little bit since we've done all our blending. Okay, so I'm gonna see how I feel about using Privacy as kind of like a smoked out liner. I'm just gonna take a flat brush. I don't know what brush this is, it's just a flat brush from Morphe. And then I'm gonna use Privacy, which is the darkest brown shade. It'll do. We're gonna put on lashes anyway, so liner, doesn't really matter. So for lashes, I'm gonna use lashes, but I don't for the life of me know what style lashes they are. I don't know, I didn't put them back in the box, so I don't remember what they're called. But yeah, be right back. Okay, welcome back. So now I have all of my foundation and blush and all that jazz done, so we can go in with the under eye. And for today, for my foundation and concealer, I used the new Fenty concealer to highlight and contour. And we have a video about it, so if you want to see it, it's, I don't know, do we do that eye thing? I don't know how that works, but it'll be linked somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, if you want to see all my thoughts and how I feel about it. It's really exciting. So. Okay, so for under eye, I am going to use the brush that came with the palette, and I'm going to use the small side of it. It's this little pencil tippy side or whatever. If you watched our first video on the Naked Cherry series, then you would know that I really like this brush for under eye. I feel like it's a good size. Like, it's not too small. Like, it's big enough that you can see it, whatever you're doing, but it's not so big that it's gonna be just a blown out crazy mess under there. So to start off, I am going to use Drunk Dial and just smoke that basically all the way along the lash line. I actually feel like I want to highlight the inner corner with something. Let's see what we have here. So I am going to highlight my inner corner with Bang Bang, which is this beautiful light pink shimmery shade. And I feel like with the dark eye, it's just nice to have a little pop of something bright right in the inner corner here. And I want it to be a little bit brighter, so I sprayed my brush with some setting spray just to wet it a little bit and try to get that bang bang to pop. There we go. So this time I'm not gonna forget mascara, and I'm gonna go in with that same Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara that we use on the top lashes. Alrighty, so that is it for this look. I really like this look. I feel like it turned out really good. I wasn't really sure what direction I was gonna go when I decided to go with Drunk Dial, but I think it turned out pretty well. It's not like as red and lovey-dovey Valentine's-y as I feel like most looks are with this palette. So yeah, I like it. I think it's a good look. So you guys, let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below and let me know if you like this one and what else you think we should do. We still have one more video for this series, and I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So if you have any requests or any type of looks you'd like to see with it, then write on down below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video if you liked it. I hope you did. It was fun. And hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss whatever I come up with for the next Naked Cherry video. And until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
See that?
So you're not part of the blonde band? That's what you're saying?
It's not what I do. My eyes too big to roll. For real. Can't be rolling. It hurt. You use a lot of muscles to move these eyes around. See, I gotta move my whole neck to move them. It's crazy.
Haven't done lashes in about, I don't know when. Probably not this year. Have I done makeup this year? When did we record that first video?
That was this year.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because you were talking about 12th day of Christmas. But it was January, like the 3rd.
Okay, well, I haven't done lashes since the 3rd, which was, what day is it?
I just made up a day. I don't know if it was really the 3rd.
What day is it today? The 26th. So about a good few weeks. Maybe I've done it this year, maybe not. But could go either way. Let's see, shall we? Tyrian's here with us today, and she's distracting and laughing and making noise. And I just see her over on the side like, ha 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 ha. Like, what are you laughing at? What's funny? Trying to make me poke my eye out with the mascara. No. Anyway. Okay.
Could you like
a little bit of that shoulder? A little bit of that shoulder. I do like to show this shoulder because I got the tattoo.
Exactly. That's what I say. Every shirt you'd be like,
I'm like, shoot, tattoo out, hey. I have one shoulder that's like sheer at the top, like from here up is sheer. And it's cool because you can see the tattoo through it. So once at Purdue, we were at Brothers, and there was this guy sitting at the bar, and he's like, he said something, and was like, oh, I can't really see your tattoo. What is it? So I like moved my shirt a little bit and showed him. He's like, no, I can't really see it. Go ahead and take the shirt off. And I was like, we're done talking here. Not tonight. No, you're not. Right? I was like, what? Okay, bye. And he was like, I was just kidding. Good day. See y'all. Don't want to talk to you no more.
not friends, no more.
Right? I was like, what?
Take it off.
He was like, I can't see it really. Take the whole shirt off. For what? I will do no such thing.
He's like, get naked.
Pearls clutched. Like, oh. I got the wrong one.
You're like my pearls.
Sir, what energy am I giving off that you thought that was going to be okay? No.
It's like you heard me, get naked.
Right. Take it off. Whoop, whoop.
Are we recording? Yes, we are.
Of course we're recording. We're always recording. Hey, guys.